Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best carpet cleaner machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Hoover Carpet Cleaner Machine. This SpinScrub brushes powerfully removes deep embedded dirt and stains with 360-degree brushes and strong suction while being gentle on your carpet. It has HeatForce for faster drying so you can get back on your carpets quickly. You can make cleaning a breeze with spill-free tanks that are easy to access, easy to fill, empty and clean. Its antimicrobial SpinScrub brush system helps prevent odors and bacteria from forming in the tool. When you are tackling the toughest pet messes and wash/rinse mode removes solution residue to deliver a powerful clean. The motorized brush tool easily attaches to the front of the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Carpet Cleaner for added versatility. At number 5 we have Bissell Carpet Cleaner Machine. This powerful 100 pounds per square inch solution pump delivers a steady supply of extracting solution to the carpet. Its dual high-velocity vacuum motors with over 160 inch of lift. Its powerful water pickup suction allows carpet to dry faster while the motor stays cooler with innovative airflow design. Its flow indicator monitors water and solution levels and lets you know when it's time to refill the tank. At number 4 we have Rug Carpet Cleaner Machine. The Pro Deep Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine combines a user-friendly design with a powerful industrial motor. That's allowing for a back-and-forth cleaning motion similar to a vacuum while extracting more than 90% plus of embedded dirt from your carpet. It has an attachable motorized upholstery tool can add versatility to your cleaning. It features 2 large capacity water tanks and built-in measuring cup. You can easily lift and remove the water tanks when it's time to empty or fill the machine. This digital indicator lights alert the user when the cleaning solution is empty or if there is a brush roll jam. At number 3 we have Hoover Carpet Cleaner Machine. It features 2 modes, Deep Clean and Quick Clean, to help you tackle all of your cleaning needs. This Deep Clean mode powerfully removes embedded dirt and stains for whole home cleaning, while a Quick Clean mode with HeatForce speeds up drying to allow carpets to dry in less than 45 minutes. Its antimicrobial SpinScrub brush system helps prevent odors and bacteria from forming in the tool when you are attacking the toughest pet messes, and wash/rinse mode removes solution residue to deliver a powerful clean. The Hoover Power Scrub Elite Pet Carpet Cleaner was created with active families in mind. Now you can clean easier so you can get back to what matters most. At number 2 we have Mercury Carpet Cleaner Machine. Easy Fill 12-gallon detergent solution tank features a quick dump 12-gallon recovery tank. This powerful 100 pounds per square inch solution pump delivers a steady supply of extracting solution to the carpet. The dual high-velocity vacuum motors with over 160 inch of lift. Its powerful water pickup suction allows carpet to dry faster while the motor stays cooler with innovative airflow design. 25 feet vacuum and solution hoses, cleans 600 square feet without moving the extractor. It includes strong, steel wand with 9-inch vacuum head and single spray jet. At number 1 we have Rug Carpet Cleaner Machine. The Rug Doctor Pro motorized upholstery tool attachment is the scrubbing for you. This motorized upholstery cleaning tool easily removes embedded dirt, stains and odors for professional cleaning results. 5-wide cleaning path. The motorized brush tool easily attaches to the front of the Rug Doctor Pro Deep Carpet Cleaner for added versatility. It has an ergonomically designed trigger sprayer applies the cleaning solution to the surface as the rotating brushes do all the scrubbing work, so you don't have to. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best carpet cleaner machines for your need.